Another woman has come forward to allege sexual assault by New York Governor Andrew Cuomo. The unknown staffer is the sixth woman to accuse Cuomo of sexual harassment. The Times Union, a newspaper in the state capital of Albany, where the New York legislature is based, reported on the matter and said that the allegation had been made by an unidentified employee of the governor. She claimed that she was inappropriately touched at his official residence last year. The local newspaper claims that she did not file a complaint, but her allegations were forwarded to the governor's legal department and the state attorney general's office. The governor, Andrew Cuomo, on the other hand, has stuck to his guns. He has reportedly said that he was unaware of the new accusation. Cuomo has repeated that he would await the results of an independent investigation into the allegations overseen by State Attorney General Letitia James. The three-term governor faces a growing number of calls for his resignation, including from dozens of state lawmakers, some from his party too. New York State Senate Majority Leader Andrea Stewart Cousins and State Assembly Speaker Carl Heastie both have withdrawn their support from Cuomo, asking for him to quit immediately. This has further weakened his position as governor. The other 5 women who have accused Cuomo of sexual assault are, till now, 5 women have come forward and accused Cuomo, and the three-term governor has denied touching anyone inappropriately. Lindsay Boylan, 36-year-old former Cuomo aide, has said that unwanted advances from the governor included an unsolicited kiss on the lips. Charlotte Bennett, a 25-year-old former aide to Cuomo, has said the governor questioned her about her sex life. Anna Rook told New York Times that the governor put his hands on her cheeks and asked to kiss her at a 2019 wedding. 2 more women have come forward to accuse Governor Cuomo of sexually harassing behavior. Former press aide Karen Hinton said that she endured a very long, too tight, too intimate embrace from Cuomo in December 2000. The other new accuser, Anna Liss, has said that Cuomo behaved inappropriately while on the job in Albany. She worked for the governor from 2013 to 2015. Cuomo is currently suffering a spectacular fall from grace as he faces twin scandals, one of the sexual assault allegations, and he has also in recent weeks struggled to respond to accusations that his administration sought to downplay the number of nursing home residents killed by COVID-19. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.